Hi, this is Tony from ministrytochildren.com, and I'm going to unbox the 2019 VBS program from Cokesbury to Mars and Beyond. And this is our first look at this material, and actually it's kind of exciting because this is our church is actually doing this, but here's our first look inside of it. This is our Super Starter Kit, and it has everything you need to get this thing going. So let's go through the packets. All right, here's your To Mars and Beyond Cokesbury VBS. This is your it's the catalog. Yeah, it's the catalog. Here's your director's guide. And Cokesbury is one of the most established VBS publishers, and they do a great job. Every detail in the director's guides. They work through these. They test them in several churches. Here's your music leader guide, your preschool kindergarten leader. You have your craft leader, Bible storyteller. And I've been to a few of the Cokesbury practice churches where they go through and test their material, and one of the cool things about Cokesbury is the science element. They're one of the only VBSs that I know of that have a kind of a science object lesson as a permanent rotation in their VBS. Assembly leader, and this is going to have the skit and everything you need to do that at the opening. Recreation leader, all the game ideas you need. Decorating guide, Mars robot theme. This is going to be a lot of fun, I can see already. Reflection time leader, and this is kind of like a small group time. All right, here are your DVDs. Mega media pack. So in this, you're going to have your music video DVD with motions tutorials, music to play. Cokesbury, you gotta go to their website and listen to the samples. It's really great music. Decorating and publicity, and so this is get you, all the graphics and templates to do some of these cool decorations. Adventure video, and this is one option. A lot of churches who don't do the full-fledged skit is going to use this. Complete music CD. I always buy these for our kids at church and make sure every kid gets a CD who comes. And your student workbooks, and these are of course optional, but if you want to buy a workbook for each kid in the VBS, that's something you need to do an additional purchase. Oh, we've got a sticker pack. That's a lot of fun. Those are going to be all over my car, I'm sure. And some of the craft samples. They give you these craft samples, and you of course can buy the kit for each kids, or you can just do a homemade craft according to their directions in the book. So this is our Cokesbury to Mars and Beyond VBS for 2019. Thanks for watching.